Welcome to the newest installment of MotorElation. Visit us at www.motorelation.com to explore our video library. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a steady stream of content about cars, the automotive industry, and more. And don't forget we are getting close to our first milestone at 62 subscribers. Once we hit 100 subscribers, one random subscriber who has a public profile will be selected to receive a MotorElation t-shirt. So, subscribe today down below. Buckle up as we take you on a mind-blowing journey into the future of car manufacturing with additive manufacturing, or more widely known as 3D printing. Imagine designing your own custom ride, from the sleek exterior to the luxurious interior, and then watching it come to life layer by layer in a 3D printer. We'll dive into the incredible possibilities of modular vehicles, where you can swap out parts like Lego blocks, upgrading your ride with the latest tech or changing its style on a whim. We'll also explore how 3D printing is transforming the entire automotive ecosystem, from decentralized microfactories popping up in your neighborhood to a global community of designers collaborating on open-source blueprints for the ultimate dream machines. This video isn't just about cars, it's about a future where technology empowers us to build a better world. 3D printing can reduce material waste and energy consumption, aligning with the automotive industry's increasing focus on sustainability. Join us as we chat with industry experts, visionary designers, and passionate car enthusiasts who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Get ready to witness the dawn of a new era in automotive manufacturing, where creativity, sustainability, and individuality are at the forefront. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be inspired, amazed, and entertained as we rev up the future of transportation. Thank you for watching this short from MotorElation. Coming soon is a closer look at additive manufacturing and printing and its future in the automotive world. Until next time, remember it's time to unleash the journey with MotorElation. And once again, click the MotorElation logo in the circle pop-up to subscribe.